What's up, guys? Hope everyone's having a lovely day today. And this is a trade recap for today. So before you watch it, make sure you subscribe and join the free community. So this is a trade I took today. Today we took longs on NQ, and this is why I entered in everything. So beginning of the day, we had this little SMT. Didn't really care that much about it, but it's whatever. So we had a big move up in this fair value gap, and at that point, I was bearish because we were pulling back discounted price. But after we create all these imbalances, I'm like, maybe we are pushing higher. So we had this 5-minute fair value gap in this range, discounted price. We had went to premium, pulled back to discount price. Sorry, I cannot speak right now. All right. So we did have that pullback to discounted price. What do we do after that? Strong rejection. Inverse these fair value gaps. And why this is looking at it, this is a good entry right here. Reason, we inverse this, retrace to little fair value gap, but this is a reason why I didn't enter. So this big move down right here, it was a possible imbalance right here, bearish. So I wanted to make sure this all gets inversed, and especially this fair value gap up here gets inversed. Sorry, the chart's a little messy. This fair value gap gets inversed. So once we got closer, we had this fair value gap right here. Then once we inversed it, that's when I entered. There was this clean high up here, so this was my plan for the trade. So once we reach this high, stop loss at break even. If we keep going, bop, bop, then take profits around there. Then that's basically much the trade. It was a 1.91 RR. Then my runner would be probably like right there or something. So overall, I like the setup. Very good confluences. It hit that high, so stop loss at break even. So I got stopped out. But that's a trade for today. It was a break even trade. Yep. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and join the free community. Hope you have a lovely day. And yep. Sorry, I am trying to pause this. Oh my gosh, sorry. Hope you guys have a good day.